Welcome back.
I'm Emma, and this is Talk and Learn English. Today, I want you to imagine something. Imagine! It's your first day at a new job. You walk into the office, your heart is beating a little faster, your hands feel cold, and suddenly, someone smiles at you and says, "Hi, welcome. Tell us a little about yourself." What would you say? Would you speak confidently, or would your mind go completely blank? Would you smile or panic? Would you find the right words or spend precious seconds translating inside your head? If that situation feels familiar, don't worry, because today you're going to learn how to introduce yourself naturally, confidently, and professionally in English. By the end of this lesson, you won't just know what to say. You'll know how to say it with confidence, with clear pronunciation, and with the natural rhythm of English. Today isn't only about learning sentences. It's about preparing for a real moment that could change your career. Let's begin. Meeting new people is part of life. Sometimes it's exciting. Sometimes it's uncomfortable. And sometimes it's both. Your first day at work is one of those moments. You want to make a good impression. You want people to remember your smile, your confidence, and your kindness, not your fear. The good news? You don't need perfect English. You don't need difficult grammar. You don't need hundreds of vocabulary words. You only need simple English, spoken naturally, like a calm river, not a rushing waterfall. Today, I'll show you exactly how. A few years ago, one of my students, Daniel, received his dream job. He had studied English for years. He passed every interview. He understood almost everything. But on his first morning, his manager said, "Daniel, everyone is here. Why don't you introduce yourself?" He smiled. Then, his mind became completely empty. He forgot simple words. His heart raced. He looked at the floor. Afterward, he told me, "Emma, I knew English yesterday, but today, I forgot everything." I smiled and told him something I'll tell you now. Confidence doesn't come before speaking. Confidence comes because you keep speaking. One small sentence becomes two. Two become five. Five become a conversation. Like climbing a mountain, you don't reach the top with one giant step. You reach it one step at a time. Lesson 1. Start simple. Never try to impress people with difficult English. Simple English sounds natural. For example, "Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. It's nice to meet you. I'm happy to be here." That's enough. Repeat after me. "Hello, everyone." Again. "Hello, everyone." Good. Now, "My name is Emma." Again. "My name is Emma." Excellent. Lesson 2. Talk about your job. People usually ask, "What do you do?" Or, "What's your role?" Simple answers. "I'm a graphic designer." "I'm an English teacher." "I work in marketing." "I'm part of the sales team." Don't worry about using complicated words. Be clear. Repeat, "I'm an English teacher." Again, "I'm an English teacher." Very good. Lesson 3. Share something personal. After introducing yourself, people often ask another question. What do you like to do? This helps create friendly conversations. Example: I enjoy reading. I love traveling. I like cooking. I enjoy learning languages. Simple, natural, friendly. Repeat, "I enjoy reading." Again, "I enjoy reading." Excellent. Lesson 4. Ask questions too. A conversation is not a speech. It's like playing tennis. You speak, they speak. You ask, they answer. Try these. How long have you worked here? What do you usually do after work? Do you have any advice for a new employee? These questions show curiosity, and curiosity builds connection. Real-life work dialogue. Now, let's imagine your first day. Manager: "Hello. Welcome to the team." Employee: "Thank you very much. I'm happy to be here." Manager: "Could you introduce yourself?" Employee: "Of course. Hello, everyone. My name is Alex. I'm from Spain. I'm a graphic designer. I really enjoy creating digital art and learning new skills. I'm excited to work with all of you. It's nice to meet everyone. Manager, we're happy to have you. Welcome. New vocabulary section. Let's learn some useful workplace words you can use every day. Team, a group of people working together. Example, I love working with my team. Colleague, a person you work with. Example, my colleague helped me today. Department, a part of a company. Example, I work in the marketing department. Meeting, a time when people discuss work. Example, we have a meeting every Monday. Experience, the knowledge you get from working. Example, I have 2 years of experience. Friendly, kind and easy to talk to. Example, everyone in the office is friendly. Opportunity, a good chance to do something. Example, this job is a great opportunity. Confident, feeling sure about yourself. Example, I'm becoming more confident every day. Shadowing practice. Now, it's your turn. Listen first, then repeat. Copy my rhythm, copy my pauses, copy my emotion. Ready? Sentence 1. Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. It's wonderful to meet you. Again. Sentence 2. I'm excited to be part of this team. Again. Sentence 3. I look forward to learning from all of you. Again. Excellent. Now, the shadowing paragraph. Listen first, then repeat. Hello, everyone. My name is Emma, and I'm very happy to join this team. I enjoy learning new things, meeting new people, and working together to solve problems. I know my journey is just beginning, but I'm excited to grow, improve, and contribute every day. Thank you for welcoming me. I look forward to getting to know all of you. Now, repeat again, this time with confidence. Smile while speaking. It changes your voice. Remember something important. People don't expect perfection. They expect sincerity. Your English doesn't have to sound perfect. It has to sound real. Every confident speaker was once a beginner. Every fluent person once searched for simple words, like a seed growing beneath the earth. Your confidence is growing, even when you can't see it. One conversation, one introduction, one brave sentence. That's how confidence is built. Like the sunrise, it doesn't appear all at once. It arrives slowly, bringing more light with every minute. Keep showing up. Keep speaking. Your future self is listening. Today's challenge is simple. Record yourself introducing yourself in English for 1 minute. Include your name, where you're from, your job or studies, one hobby, check one goal for the future, then listen to your recording. Notice your pronunciation, notice your confidence. Tomorrow, record it again. Small improvements create big transformations. And that's day 5. Can you believe it? You've already completed half of this journey, day by day. Your English is becoming stronger, more natural, more confident. Tomorrow, day 6, we'll enter one of the most important real-life situations in English. Making small talk with confidence. You'll learn how to start conversations, keep them flowing, and never run out of things to say. Trust me, this lesson will completely change the way you communicate. If today's lesson helped you, please like this video, subscribe to Talk and Learn English, and write in the comments, Day 5 complete. I read every comment, and I love seeing your progress. Until tomorrow, keep practicing, keep believing in yourself. And remember, every conversation is another step toward the confident English speaker you're becoming. I'm Emma, and I'll see you in day 6.